Got you right here on the daily chart. I showed y'all all the possible options, and we still hoping for this yellow option. But like I said before, we still have to make a reversal right now. Basically, we had to break through that 100, get an open and a close above 47,000, and then a tap to 53,000, and a retracement and continuation for the yellow pattern. That's the best option, but as of now, it's looking pretty iffy because it's possible it could break down if it could go into the triple bottom right here, right? Which basically be an inverted head and shoulders and continue on up to the upside. That's another possible good option. But like I mentioned before, we also have options of the downside. So let's go on the 4 hourly. Alright, so the thing with the yellow pattern right now, you see how close this is right here? If this drops below this number right here, which is exactly $37,020. If it drops below that, this yellow pattern is invalidated. That means this whole W will be broken out. So that means we won't see this upside, and we could possibly start our way to the triple bottom. So if we go to the triple bottom, we cannot drop below this right here. And this number right here is exactly 34,322. If it drops below that, that invalidates the triple bottom, and we're dropping, and we're going to, like I mentioned, the 30K to recover this candlestick right here. And we could possibly get another drop down to 20K to recover these candlesticks right here. And let me zoom out a little further so you can see why that's a very likelihood. 20K is also right here with its previous resistance. So it's basically coming back all the way where it started before and testing this for support. That's what it's doing in the overall picture. And obviously we see this is a big M formation. And the second part of the M formation is a head and shoulder formation. So I mean, everything is really pointing to this thing going to the downside overall. So like I said, possibility triple bottom right here, boom, continuation. Just a possibility, but I just showed y'all why it most likely will come down to around $20,000. And not to mention the war that's going on right now. You already know that what that's doing. It's disrupting the whole finances around everywhere. And like I said, on the 4 hourly, you drop below that, invalidates the yellow pattern. We drop below this, invalidates the triple bottom, and we just going down to 30K to 20K. So y'all be on the lookout. But for the upside, like I said, if we get a reversal now, we got to come through and test this 200 EMA once again. We got to come right back up to 45,000. Maybe come back down, bounce off to either the 50 or the 100 EMA, depending on where it's at. By the time it comes back down, bounce out and break through the 20 EMA. But like I said, we have to get a reversal now because we cannot drop below this because it'll invalidate the whole pattern. But yeah, anyways, anything I just said is not financial advice at all. Y'all grown, y'all make your own decisions, but like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.